students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School, and today in this video tutorial I am going to tell you how to do sum number 3 and sum number 4 of exercise 3.5. So let's start. Yes students, in sum number 3 what is the question? Here it is, estimate the difference between 576 and 231 to the nearest tens and hundreds. Here in one question we are having the two parts. Firstly we have to estimate the difference to the nearest tens, and after that we have to estimate the difference to the nearest hundreds. So here how to do? See, yes, this is exercise 3.5, sum number 3. Yes, firstly we have to estimate the difference to the nearest tens. Yes, the question is 576 minus 231. Yes, 576, firstly we will round off, rounded off to the nearest tens. Yes, ones, tens. Ones place will be 0, tens place will be next. Why? Because ones place is more than 5, so tens place digit will be the next, and there is no roll of this digit, so we will write it as it is. Yes, we got 580. Now 231, rounded off to the nearest tens. Yes, ones, tens. Ones place 0, tens place will remain same, and hundred place no roll, so we will write it as it is. So here we got 230. Now we have to find out the estimated difference. Ones, tens, hundred. 580 minus 230. Here 0, 8 minus 3, here 5, 5 minus 2, here 3. So here we got 350. Yes, now in the next part we have to estimate the difference. Estimate the difference to the nearest hundreds. Same question we have to do. 576 minus 231. Yes, now firstly we will estimate these to the nearest hundreds. Now 576 rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Yes, ones, tens, hundred. Now ones place digit will be 0, tens place will also be 0, and hundred place will be the next. Why? Because tens place digit is more than 5. Yes, now the second number is 231. 231 rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones place 0, tens place 0, and hundred place will remain same. Why? Because tens place digit is less than 5. So here we got 200. Now estimated difference. Here ones, tens, 100. 600 minus 200. Here we got 400. This is the estimated difference to the nearest hundreds. Yes students, like this the third sum is over. Now let's do sum number 4. Here in sum number 4, what we have to do? Firstly, we will read the statement carefully. Yes, now sum number 4. The cost of a fan is 829 rupees. The cost of the fan is rupees 800. Rekha has rupees 725. Round off each number to the nearest hundreds to estimate the amount of money that she needs more to buy the. Beta, here it is written table. Table will not be there. It will be fan, because firstly they have written fan, so it will be fan. Yes, now the cost of the fan is rupees 829. फ़ैन की जो कॉस्ट है वो 829 है, बट रेखा के पास 725 रुपीज़ है. तो हमने ये बताना है कि इसके पास कितने रुपीज़ कम हैं, और वो हमने बताने हैं एस्टिमेटेड टू द नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स. यस, सो हाउ वी विल डू द सम. सी हियर, कॉस्ट ऑफ फैन रुपीज़ 829. यस, रेखा हैज़ मनी. How much money is with her? Rupees 725. Now she is having less money. उसके पास पैसे कम हैं. हमने ये बताना है कि उसके पास पैसे कम हैं और उसको फ़ैन ख़रीदने के लिए और कितने पैसे चाहिए टू द नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स. यस, सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड इट. एस्टिमेटेड मनी she needs. Yes, rupees 829 minus 725. Nearest hundreds rounded off to the nearest hundred. Ones, tens, 100. Ones place 0, tens place 0, 100 place will be same because tens place is less than 5. Yes, now 725 rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Yes, ones, tens, 100. Ones place 0, tens place 0, and 100 place will remain same because tens place is less than 5. Yes, so here we will find out that how much money she needs. Ones, tens, 100. फ़ैन जो है वो 800 रुपीज़ का है, उसके पास एस्टिमेटेड 700 रुपीज़ हैं. Yes, then how much money she needs? She needs estimated rupees 100. So here we will write she needs rupees 100 more to buy fan. फ़ैन ख़रीदने के लिए उसको रुपीज़ 100 और चाहिए. Yes, so with this we have done sum number 3 and 4 of this exercise, and this exercise is complete. Students, you have to do the practice of all the sums of this exercise because these are very much important sums. Yes, with this, thanks. Have a beautiful day ahead. God bless you. Thank you.